Natalie Portman said goodbye to 2025 while people in the Caribbean were saying hello to the actress being smoking hot on the beach. The Oscar winner showed off her toned bod while enjoying herself with the family at Celine Beach in St-Barth's. MP was clearly having a blast as she played in the ocean, splashing around in her low-cut one-piece swimsuit. We last saw Natalie looking stunning at the 2025 Governors Awards back in November, with A-listers flooding the red carpet to show off their best looks.